Modern cars are packed with advanced electronics, sensors, and control modules. And without the right diagnostic tool, identifying problems can become expensive and frustrating. From engine warning lights to ABS, TPMS, transmission, and ECU issues, basic code readers simply aren't enough anymore. That's why professional OBD2 diagnostic tools are essential for accurate troubleshooting and faster repairs. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best car diagnostic tools of 2026, powerful, reliable, and built for mechanics and serious car owners. We researched features, update support, compatibility, and real user feedback to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. OTOFIX D1 Lite. The OTOFIX D1 Lite is a professional-grade OBD2 scanner built for complete system diagnostics across a wide range of vehicles. It supports bi-directional control, allowing you to perform active tests such as injector tests, fuel pump activation, and system calibrations directly from the device. With compatibility for CAN FD, DoIP, and FCA SGW protocols, it works smoothly with many modern models. The large touchscreen is responsive and easy to navigate, while the 2-year free update keeps vehicle coverage current. Designed for workshops and advanced DIY users, this tool delivers deep diagnostics with reliable and accurate performance. Number 4. Launch X431 Pro Elite. The Launch X431 Pro Elite features a bright 8-inch touchscreen and delivers full system diagnostics with advanced active test capabilities. It supports CAN FD and DoIP communication protocols and offers more than 31 reset functions, including oil reset, EPB, SAS, throttle, and DPF services. ECU coding functionality makes it ideal for professional technicians who need module adaptation and configuration support. Fast processing speed, broad vehicle compatibility, and regular software updates ensure long-term usability. Whether in a busy workshop or for advanced home mechanics, this scanner provides powerful performance and dependable diagnostic accuracy. Number 3. THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689BT. The THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689BT combines advanced diagnostic features with excellent long-term value. It supports bi-directional control, ECU coding, and modern DoIP and CAN FD protocols, ensuring compatibility with newer vehicle models. With 35+ reset services, including oil, ABS, EPB, SAS, and battery registration, it covers most maintenance needs. Bluetooth connectivity allows wireless operation, making it convenient inside the workshop. One of its biggest advantages is lifetime free updates, reducing long-term costs. This tool is perfect for professionals and serious enthusiasts who want strong functionality without paying premium brand prices. Number 2. Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT PRO. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT PRO offers powerful full-system diagnostics with wireless Bluetooth convenience. It supports active tests, enabling technicians to command components and verify repairs instantly. With extensive reset and service functions, including oil, EPB, SAS, BMS, and DPF services, it handles both routine maintenance and complex troubleshooting. The fast processor ensures smooth performance, while the intuitive interface makes operations simple and efficient. Known for reliable vehicle coverage and stable software, Autel continues to be a trusted name in automotive diagnostics, making this scanner a dependable choice for professionals and advanced users alike. Number 1. Foxwell GT60. The Foxwell GT60 stands out as a versatile and feature-rich diagnostic tool with more than 24 reset services, including ABS bleeding, SAS calibration, TPMS reset, oil service, and more. It provides full system diagnostics and supports Bluetooth connectivity for flexible and cable-free use. Designed to work with a wide range of modern vehicles, it delivers accurate fault code reading, live data monitoring, and reliable system scanning. The user-friendly interface makes navigation simple, even for independent technicians, offering strong performance, multiple advanced functions, and excellent value. This scanner earns its place as the top pick on our list. A professional car diagnostic tool saves time, reduces repair costs, and gives you complete control over vehicle maintenance. These 5 scanners offer advanced features like bi-directional control, ECU coding, and multiple reset services. Whether you're a workshop technician or a serious DIY user, there's a powerful option here for you. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.